Hello, everyone. Can anyone reply so that I can understand you are hearing me properly? Can you all unmute yourself? Khushbu, Fahiza.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
One minute. Okay. Can you all hear me properly? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. 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 So, okay. So, good morning, everyone. I am Ashley. I am a tutor here at Red Fox Education. Okay. So today we all have come here for this webinar. Are you all excited? Okay, could you hear me? Can you hear me?
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Now, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So I was introducing myself. My name is Ashley Joshi. I am a tutor here at Red Fox Education. Okay. Okay. So can you all go on and introduce yourself, please?
Myself, Khushbu.
Okay. Okay. Can you go again? There was a network issue, I think. I couldn't hear properly. Can you introduce once more, Khushbu? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I am Khushbu Vyas from Hyderabad. I am
Okay.
housewife.
Okay. So are you attending this webinar for your daughter or for yourself?
For my son.
Son. Okay. So is your son there?
Yeah, here is.
Hello. What is his name?
What's your name? Sit. Teacher को बोलो. What's your name?
What's your name, dear?
जोर से बोलो. Ved Vyas.
Ved Vyas. Okay. How old are you, Ved Vyas?
कितने years की हो आप? मम्मा सिखाए थे ना? I am 3 years old.
3 years old.
Very good.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Okay, Ved Vyas. Thank you so much. Now, Fahiza, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Go on.
I'm Farida Mariam. I'm from 2nd standard.
Okay. Where are you from? What place are you from?
Vettuvangari.
Okay. Is it in which state are you from? Is it in the Karnataka or Tamil Nadu or
Chennai.
Chennai? You are Chennai itself. Okay. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much, Faisa. Now I cannot see your name. It's shown here as WS1698. So can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
No, not you, Fahisa. Thank you so much. I am asking the other person. I cannot see their name here. The ID is only mentioned. The third person, can you introduce yourself? The person who is mentioned here as WS1698. Can you introduce yourself, dear? Hi. What's your name? I cannot actually hear you. Can you hear them? Is their voice audible? For all of you in the webinar, can you hear the person?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
You can hear them?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you speak again, dear? Can you? Okay, I cannot hear them. I don't know why. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, come again, dear. Can you speak a little bit more loudly? Or if your mother or somebody is sitting nearby, can you ask them to speak? Can you speak something, ma'am, just to check if I can hear? Can you all hear? Or am I the only one who is unable to hear them? Kanita, Mariam, can you hear them?
Yes, I can, ma'am.
Okay, what is her name? What is she speaking? No, I'm not asking if you can see them. I'm asking if you can hear what they are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I cannot hear actually. Can you just type your name or something so that I understand?
Yes, ma'am. Kimaya.
Okay, now I can hear you. Kimaya.
Yes,
Okay. How old are you, Kimaya? In which standard are you studying in?
I am 5 years old.
I am 5 years old.
5 years old. Okay, where are you from?
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Okay, very good. Okay, children. So wonderful to see you all here today. So today our topic for the webinar was summer holidays. Okay. So have your summer holidays started? Do you all
Yes.
have your summer holidays going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Are you all excited for it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, children.
Yes.
So I will ask you what you are planning to do. Do you have any plans for your summer holidays? When I was young, I'll think I'll go to my mother's house and play there. I will watch some movies or I will watch TV for a long time. I used to plan all these things when I was young. Okay. So do you have any plans like that?
I will do drawing.
I am the drawing.
You're going to draw. Do you like drawing?
Yes.
Yes. What do you like to draw?
Color.
Coloring.
What?
Color.
Coloring.
Coloring. You like to do coloring. Okay. Do you color sun, trees, houses and all?
3.
Oh, tree. Okay. Which is your favorite color?
Green.
Green is your favorite color. Okay, great. Okay. Thank you so much. You are speaking so good. Okay.
Bye.
Not bye. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now, is your name Kanita? How shall I pronounce it?
Yes, ma'am.
Kimaya.
Kimaya.
I understood, Kimaya. I am asking the other, Kanita, some other participant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Konita is right only.
Okay, Kanita.
All
Okay,
us-
Kanita. Are you excited for your summer holidays, Kanita?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. When did your summer holidays start?
Last one.
Last month. Okay, that's wonderful. So what did you do all these days during holidays?
I went to trip to Ooty.
Went for a trip to Ooty. How was Ooty? Was it cold? Was it cold there in Ooty?
I
Kanita,
have to go.
you have to go to Ooty. Okay. When are you planning to go? Next week?
Later.
May. Okay, okay. So, do you like Ooty? Have you ever been to Ooty before? Have you been
No,
to?
ma'am.
No, this is the first time. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Okay. What are you planning to do there in Ooty? Will you go boating or will you go cycling?
Yes, waterfalls, boating,
Okay, very nice. Okay, then do you have any other plans for your summer holidays?
painting.
You love to paint, is it?
Yes.
Okay, what do you like to paint?
I like to paint house, flowers.
House, flowers, and everything. Okay, great. Okay, Kanita. Now, which after the summer holidays, which class will you be in when you go to school?
Third standard.
Third standard. Okay, wonderful. Okay, Kanita, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Medvi asks, are you having
Yes,
summer
ma'am.
holidays now? Do you go to school?
No, say no.
No, you have not yet started. So for you, everything is a holiday, right?
Say
What do
yes.
you like to do in your free time? Do you play?
आप क्या करते हो
Do
daily?
you play, Medvyas?
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you play?
आप कौन सा गेम खेलते हो? रनिंग, जंपिंग, कैसा करते हो बोलो?
Learning jumping.
You run and jump. Oh, wonderful. Okay. Okay, Medvyas. So now when you go to school, you will have summer holidays, right? You can learn to read, write. You will have a lot of friends. Okay. Will you go to school next year?
आप स्कूल जाओगे ना? Yes या no?
Yes.
Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay, children. Okay, so I also wish that you all spend summer holidays very beautifully. Okay. Kanida, go to Ooty, enjoy. Then what was your name, dear? I forgot. It's me. Kimaya, is it?
Kimaya.
Yes. Okay, Kimaya. So Kimaya, you also draw a lot of pictures. If you can, you play with your. Do you have any siblings, Kimaya?
Yes.
Whom do you have? Younger sibling or elder sibling?
Younger.
Younger sibling.
Younger
Play with them. Okay. Both of you play together. Then go to places. Draw a lot of pictures. Eat a lot of good food. So all of you do that. Okay. Maid, Vyas, Khanida, and Kimaya. All of you do that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how many of you here know about Red Fox education? How many of you here previously know about Red Fox education? Nobody?
No.
Okay, so I will explain to you. Red Fox Education, we are an online British school. So we focus on improving people's language and communication skills. Okay,
अच्छा बात करिए
it is English, predominantly English skills. Okay, so if you want to speak like this, if you want to have classes which are fun like this, come and join us. Okay, did you
ऐसा नहीं कर
understand? If you want to have classes like this, if you want to have fun classes where you can talk to your friends, talk to me and everything, you come and join us. Tell your parents to call us. We can have classes. Okay. Okay. Then how many of you here have the Red Fox Education app? Does anybody here have the mobile app? Yes or no?
What?
Answer, children.
What, ma'am?
Does
No, ma'am.
anybody here have the Red Fox Education mobile app?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So what you have to do is go today, go to Google Play Store and download Red Fox Education mobile app. In the chat box, you can see links. Okay. Link of our website and mobile app you can see. So download it. If you want to learn English on your own, there are a lot of free things available for children. There are a lot of stories that you can always read during your summer holidays. You can read those stories, play games and learn English. Then a lot of podcasts are available. Then a lot of videos are available. So English learning can be fun. Okay. So download the app and try doing all of that. Will you?
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So it will be very wonderful. So try doing that. And also we can see for next webinars. Okay. Do you have anything else to say to me? Does anybody here have anything else? Any doubts do you have to ask me?
What will be in our next class, ma'am?
When will be? When
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be or the topic? Are you asking about the topic or the date?
Topic, yes, ma'am.
Topic. Okay. Topic would be very, conversational like topic, which you can talk about. For example, last week we had a webinar. It was on your most memorable birthday. Okay. So a lot of children came, they talked about. So this week it was on summer holidays. So next week we will announce it maybe in a couple of days, maybe Monday, Tuesday or something. It will be also about something that you can speak. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So try to join and come, and also tell your parents if you want classes like this, tell your parents to contact us. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So can we meet next week? Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.